Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Uniquely Mia here. We have Stu. We also have Queen Mother. It is day 2 in the UK, also known as London, also known as the United Kingdom. And we are up bright and early. It's around 7:15 a.m. this morning. The weather is foggy, but it's not raining. They said the high is 60 degrees today. So we are going to like Buckingham Palace, London Bridge, and London Tower really early this morning, and then immediately after we're gonna go on the train because we are going to Hogwarts today, guys. So we are going to the Harry Potter studio tour, and I finally get my Harry Potter merch and I get to go to Hogwarts, which is gonna be fun. You can see it definitely looks like it rained last night or even early this morning because the ground is wet. And it's like windy, but it's not that cold, honestly. Back in Tesco's for breakfast, guys. So Queen Mother saw an egg sandwich they wanted yesterday.
They have hams too.
They have ham. What's this? This is chicken and sweet corn. Wow. They have egg smoked ham. That's free range egg mayo. You put mayo in it? They have cheddar. They have cheddar. Look, they have a cheese triple, Mom. It's packed with cheddar. A cheese triple.
But what's that brown stuff? That
And
looks
look,
like some type of
cheese
meat.
pickle.
Cheese pickle. They don't have a cheese
smoked
spread?
bacon.
I think cheese spread is from here, you know. They don't have
So
like
it would be the
spread.
cheese triple. Different menu items they have, guys. Rolls. They have chicken tikka bites. They have mini savory eggs. On the train now. Hopefully it's the right train. How you feeling about today, Stu?
Another day.
Hi. From New York to Yankee hat. How you feel about that?
It's me.
Nice. She's reading the map, guys, so we don't get lost today. Because as you can see, she got the phone. She's in charge of transportation. In the South Kensington. No, we are in the St. James area. So we are going to go to Buckingham Palace. I know, but which direction? Look at their buildings. Really big and tall. They have the Lion King. He's very biblical who owns that place. So, continue on with the walk. This road is more quiet, as y'all can see. And then the architecture, I have like 3-story buildings. The trees look dead though. They look so dead, they look fake. Like all the branches fell off.
So this is the palace area. You know what it reminds me of? The White House. You know the White House is similar. The White House, when we went to DC, the White House is in. You could like come all the way up here, but then it's in.
Buckingham Palace is right over here, guys. Follow me.
Oh, you gotta go on the other side like everybody else.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, go ahead.
This is the park.
This is Buckingham Palace area. The entrance to get in. So it takes a lot. That's a lot of running
Running for what?
to try to get in there.
To show America to here. The White House, you don't have to.
Oh
pay
yeah, it
for
is free in the White
Why
House.
would they need $100?
Well, I guess the difference between the White House and this, remember, this was their private residence that they're making available to the public. The White House was always a form of public.
No,
Good kind
they
of.
need every dollar.
That's why. Yeah. So, this is what it's like. Look at the Golden Gate, Mom.
Oh, that's the Golden Gate?
No, just look at the Golden Gate. Mother, you're at the original colonizer's home.
Yeah, the
Our
mastermind.
ancestors were not welcome.
Mastermind.
How are you feeling?
I give thanks to my ancestors that they made me born and be able to do this. I do this for them because I came here to stomp it out with
Oh.
the drum. Stomp it out with the drum.
She had us
Stomp
do
it
a
out
whole
with the
dance
drum.
of it, guys.
Okay, come help me put on my
So,
jacket, please.
really? We are walking. Stu said he thinks they are changing the guard. It's pretty big, but for some reason it looks much bigger, but at the same time it looks big. So Stu, how do you feel being in front of the colonizers' Palace, the original, because they started it essentially Atlantic slave trade, taking over a whole bunch of different nations. How do you feel?
What I feel is uncertainty, and it's like distasteful. I mean, everything you see is made from other people's blood, other people's land.
Yup. All this gold, all the building, everything.
So,
imagine if you go in there.
And then the hypocrisy, they want to charge you $100 to go and see what they really don't own.
Exactly, because like and like I looked, it's like a small area too. You don't even get to see everything.
Yeah.
It's just a tiny area.
If you think about it, you go to the White House in
It's free.
America and it's free.
Exactly.
So how could they be the founders of civilization if they say so, and won't even let you walk inside?
They're not the founders of civilization. They're the founders of greed.
What is that?
Lion.
Oh, it's lion. Everybody liking lion. Huh? Yeah. Sorry. Probably will at some point because we are in front of Buckingham Palace, guys, and as you can see, zoomed in, you see a unicorn. So they could have gone extinct because why else would they have a unicorn if they weren't real, right?
They have different faces in there too. They have different faces. Exactly. So the lion still exists, right? So why would you not believe that the unicorn?
This is the castle, guys. This is what people travel far and wide to see. And then they got that one right there. With the gold. You think it's real, Mom?
Well, I don't.
Oh, it's paint? Right over there, but we are gonna go to the Watford Junction station to go to Harry Potter right now. We were gonna go to Big Ben and the London Bridge, but we have to do Big Ben and the London Bridge later because they're really far for us to walk now. We probably wouldn't have run out of time, so we're gonna head over to Harry Potter right now. We were able to do a short stream. So we are leaving Buckingham Palace. It's literally right behind us, so all these houses around, they may have turned them into businesses, but they were at one point in time houses. This is probably where the lords and ladies live. Because I wouldn't.
Lords and ladies
in these houses, I want to see peasants living so close.
Yeah, exactly.
So yeah, it's literally probably in the center. I have to look at a map and see if Buckingham Palace is in the center. And they are they even there because the flag was raised? They said something about the flag is raised. They're there. If it's not, they're not. I don't know. But now we are heading to a new station to head over to Watford.
Why they walking this way?
So we are heading into the park because according to the GPS, this is where the train is on the other side. And this is a different view of the castle. Oh, the residence is probably in the back, yeah, because the back looks normal.
Yeah, the front it looks more elegant.
Yeah.
They must have built on.
Oh.
They must have built on the residence in the back. Look signs.
I get that thing.
Walk to Green Park
Yes,
Station.
St. James Park, Trafalgar Square, Victoria Station, 10 minutes.
Green Park.
Green Park.
6 minutes.
Oh, okay. Who thinks they could climb the tree? Who can climb the tree?
Not me.
What if Robin Hood was coming after you?
Even if you look at the Caribbean and the West Indies, where they used to live, where they build their home, they always build it with a park across the street. So I guess a park represents peace.
The trees is oxygen. They want to live longer.
Oh yeah, but they all did that. All the people, they always had a big garden, a big park.
Yeah. In a park, guys. I know which park, but it's the park. The station, and they still have graffiti everywhere you go, guys. No matter where. Our home. Residential over there, guys. They're pretty big, honestly. We're waiting for the bus, the 142, to come to take us. on the bus, guys. We just got off the shuttle bus for a little early, but they have the wall of the Death Eaters who are going through that field strictly strain. Daily profit, guys. That's what that is. We are about to head on in. I don't know if they'll let us in early. It's okay if they don't. They have a gift shop. But, oh, look at the chess pieces. Like in the first one. Welcome,
Okay, let's
everybody.
go.
We've made it to Big Ben, so let's cross over.
That's Big Ben.
So cute. Okay, how you doing, Sarah? Glad you could be here. So the tower is ridiculously huge. I didn't think it would be this huge for some reason, guys. And it's just a clock tower, right? Like some people said you could get a tour to go in, but we didn't pay for that. I don't know. Sure. Yeah. Like, do you see that, guys? That is so pretty, and it's like intricate. Wowzers. That's insane. Wow, it's huge. Oh yeah, look at the water.
Good thing I tied this hat. Boy, this would have been flying all over.
Yeah. Wow. Oh yeah, true. So this is what we're looking at. And then right over there we got Big Ben. So this is what we're looking at. Yeah, it's just water, dirty water at that. Oh, Parliament? Could be their Parliament, right? No? So we are leaving this area because to our knowledge the only two major landmarks was the London Bridge in addition to the Big Ben Tower. If there's other landmarks, we're not really familiar with it, but this definitely looks like a high touristy area just for those two things, in all honesty. McDonald's to see if they have secret menu items. Walking, looking for something to eat, and we're passing all the British supermarkets that I see on social media. We got M&S, we passed a Lil, they have TK Maxx. We're looking for food. Look, they have a chicken shop.
A what?
A chicken shop.
So you want to get something from there?
No.
Oh, they haven't.
We have decided that we're just going to get McDonald's. Yes, we're going to be those Americans. But it's really difficult to find food here in the UK for some reason. Like, they have the restaurants, but we're scared to spend the money because it's expensive. And what if they don't taste good, right? And we're not, like, in the city next to what Borough Market say. We're just going to get something from somewhere that has good reviews. And the place that do have good reviews, sometimes they want to charge you a ridiculous amount of money.